Hey everybody, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to change PS5 background. So basically there is no official method that you can use to change the background uh, like you do on your PC or your maybe your laptop and stuff like that. So basically you cannot change it officially, but we have a workaround, so simply follow these steps. So simply press the PS button on your PS5 controller to pull you into your main menu. Find and select game base. Select messages option in the left column. Then pick one of your friends to open up a thread. Type in google.com, then press R2 button and send the message. You can also apologize for the random message. This will create a hyperlink in the chat. Select google.com link. This will launch in the PlayStation 5 browser. Search for the wallpaper you want to set on your PS5. Set the wallpaper from the results. Try to find one that has resolution equal to or greater than your screen's. When the wallpaper opens, press and hold to create button. This will take a screenshot, and press the create button again to open the screenshot menu. Select screenshot you just took. Pick edit button, which looks like a brush, and then hit the crop button. Crop to your preference and hit save. And when ready, you can choose to replace original or save as new. We recommend the former. It's time to set up the image as your wallpaper. Press the PS button to get back to the main menu. Go into your profile icon, select profile again, pick the edit profile pencil icon, and then hit cover image, select change image, pick your PS5 wallpaper and hit select, and you will get a preview of PS5 background and hit save if satisfied. And that is pretty much it, and that's how you can simply add a background on your PS5. So yeah, make sure to let us know in the comments if this worked for you, and thank you so much for watching.